Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Kirklands dupe. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching. So for this project, we're going to need another one of these Dollar Tree pumpkin frames. There's the skew again. These are really hard to find in stores, so you're probably better off ordering a case online if you really want to use them, unfortunately. I also have a roll of this ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is from the Halloween. I have these two pumpkins, which came in a bag with these pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. I believe I got 4 white and 4 checkered. The bag was $9.99, but I got it for 50% off, so it was only $4.99. And we're only using 2 out of that bag. I also have some of this eucalyptus from Joann Fabrics. This was $5.99, but 50% off, so I got it for $3. And I also have 2 of these fall picks. They are Bloom Room from Joann Fabrics. They were $2.99 each, but 50% off, so I got 2 for $3. You're also going to need a zip tie, a pipe cleaner. Don't really need a rotary cutter this time. Need a pair of scissors and whatever you make a bow with. I just use a bow dabra. Simple, quick. So let's get started. So I have the pumpkin form here. Oh, and you need a hot glue gun. I forgot to say that, but definitely need a hot glue gun. So we're gonna start with these picks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tear the stickers off. And I'm gonna go behind and stick these through right here. So, see that? I pulled it through. I went behind and in front. So, I put it from behind. This is the middle bar right here. This is that big middle section. Here's the next bar over. I've taken these 4 parts of the pick and put it in front of this wire, and then this is behind the next wire over here. So the leaf is behind and the cotton and the lamb's ear is in front. So now I have something that looks like that. Now we're gonna go to the other side and do the same exact thing the opposite way. So now we have this. So we have a point in the front where these 2 meet right here, and this is where I'm going to take a zip tie. So I'm just going to take a zip tie, come over the top of that, and zip it together. You can use multiple if you want to. I probably will, but I'm just gonna, oh no, I'm gonna use another one right now. Come over into the next section of wire. See that? There we go. I'm gonna do it here too. And I'll take another one down in the 3rd section of wire and do that there as well. Probably the easiest wreath that you'll ever make. I mean, Kirkland stuff is gorgeous, but for this, there's really no need to pay what they're asking for it. Okay, so we have our base. Now, I'm gonna come in and make a bow. Very simple. If you look at this pumpkin from Kirkland's, it does not have long bow tails at all. So I'm going to make 6-inch long bow tails. Sounds about right. And then they do not cut theirs anyway. It just stays straight like this. So I'm gonna leave it like that. If you don't want that, that's completely fine. And it also doesn't look like a very big bow. So I'm not gonna make my loops too big. And I guess I'll only do 4. Like I said, it's not a very big bow. There it is, nice and easy. And the reason that I put that pipe cleaner on it when I make it is so I'm able to attach it. You could use another zip tie, but it makes it kind of difficult just with the way that it's secured on there. So I'm going to right back into that middle section, and I'm going to twist this around, just kind of securing it, just so it doesn't have one point of tightening. Flip it over. Poof up your bows. I'm going to put 2 facing upward and 2 more downward. Now let's go over to the hot glue. And I'm just going to take these 2 white pumpkins and place them on each side. I use Gorilla Glue. It works fabulously. One here. And then the other one right there. We're gonna let that dry and we're gonna switch over to here. And we're gonna make yet another bow, because that's all that's on the top is another bow. So for this one, I don't have any more picks, so this is where we're gonna use the eucalyptus. I'm gonna make them rather long, and I'm just gonna bend where I want it to break off here. Now I have these 2. Again, we're gonna lay a zip tie down through the center of the Bodavra. And another pipe cleaner. Now, the one on the top does not have any tails, so we're gonna leave it. And I'm gonna put these in here like this. See that? And now we'll make our bow. This too does not have very big loops, has no tail, so not gonna make it very big. We'll also add a 5th loop to this one, just because. Give it something a little bit different from the bottom. Okay, now it's time to zip. So this is what we have now. We can go ahead and foof our bow. Nothing spectacular. And then we're gonna come right here. And the Kirklands one does have some of the stem showing, so I'm gonna do my very best to get this to a point where we can see the stem. Here is our Kirklands pumpkin. So I'm gonna hang this up and we're gonna take a look at it. So this is what it looks like all hung up. The only thing that I did add was this little pumpkin right here, because I thought it just needed a little something else in the middle there. But this is it. It was super simple to make, super cheap, and it's very on trend, of course, because it's a Kirklands dupe, and Kirklands is always on trend. They have gorgeous stuff. So these are actually from Kirklands, and I adore these so much. But anyway, so yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that you will subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. So thank you for watching.